Happy Mother's Day, y'all. So this is my look for today. Nothing too much. I kind of look like yesterday. I have on a black top from H&M. It's in the men department. And then I have on some loose camo pants that I got from Fashion Nova. And then I have on my necklace my mommy bought me for Christmas. I love so much. And then I have my bracelets on, and then I'm gonna be wearing my Fendi slides. So nothing too today, just something simple and cute. And then I will carry my Goyard bag. I really wish I low-key had a Gucci bag, to be honest, or a Fendi bag. What's goody? What's fun? Today is freaking Friday. I think it's like the 19th or something. I just got finished doing my hair. I'm about to go have some drinks, or whatever, at a place I think called MKL or something. I don't know. It's in freaking Buckhead, I think. I really don't want to go because I gotta go to work in the morning. I gotta be to work at 6 a.m. And yeah, I really don't want to go, but I'm about to go because I'm hungry. So that's about it. Just wanted to get on here and say, hey girl, hey. But that's about it. It's currently like 10:06, 10 o'clock, 10:06. So yeah, I'm about to oil up my heels, put on my shoes, and find a bag. I don't have anything crazy on. I just have on some leggings. I'm gonna put on some Fendi slides, a black top. It's actually a Skims top, but I just threw on these tights that I got from Forever 21, maybe like freaking 3 years ago. and I just know it keeps me snatched, okay? So that's about it. I had to do my nails because I popped my nails off earlier today, so I'm just like, let me throw on my my nails. I get my nails done actually Thursday because I'm going somewhere this next weekend, so or whatever. But I'll call y'all back and let y'all know how did it go. If not, if I don't pick y'all up, I will update y'all though. Toodles. It's currently 2:06 in the morning. I gotta be to work at 6 o'clock in the morning. And I am fucking tired. Just getting in the house. And I'm tired. So, just wanted to say tonight was cool. I'm just tired. Bye, y'all.